This is the Precalculus Fall 2016 ACP Preview, Problem 27. This is one of these typical summation of series problems, and it's a so-called real-world use where you have a theater. So this is a typical problem. You see, theater has 38 rows of seats. The first row has 25 seats. So if we have a row of rows of theaters, we have our first row that's going to have these 25 seats. And then the second row, row 2 I label, has 29 seats. And the third row has 33 seats. And so the pattern you notice is that each successive row is going to have 4 more seats than the prior row. So the fourth row is going to have 33 plus 4 seats, or 37 seats. And if you continue on, and there are a total of 38 rows, so if you continue down to row 38 and find out what that number is, and then add all these up, okay, when you take a sum of all these, that's going to be your answer. And so I don't doubt that there'll be some students seeing a problem like this that are just going to take the calculator and just add all these up. Well, it's easy to make a mistake. The thing that you can do for an arithmetic series is when you have, say, from n equals 1 to n, what the total number is, you're going to have let's see, some a sub k. What you're going to have is your total number times your first term plus the last term, okay, multiplied together, over 2. So if we can find what this question mark is for the last term, we'll get it. Well, there's a formula for that, finding that last term, which is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus your common difference times n minus 1. In this case, we have, if we want to find the 38th row, a sub 38 is equal to our first term, which is 25, plus our common difference. Well, we're going up by 4. And our common difference is found by taking a sub n, whatever that is, minus a sub n minus 1. So if you take any term and subtract the prior term, like 37 minus 33, you'll get it. So that's going to be 4. And then n minus 1, well, n is 38, and minus 1, so that's going to be 4 times 37. So that number is going to get a little large. So I'm just going to go to our calculator and put in, wrong calculator. Okay, I'm going to put in 25 plus 4 times, I'm going to put in 38 minus 1, parentheses here, we get 173. So going back here, we have a sub 38 equals 173. Well, now we can take this formula here, and I'm just going to work right below it. We're going to say, for our situation, n is going to be the total number of rows, which is 38, and a sub 1 is 25, and then plus a sub 38, which is 173, all over 2. And that's going to give us our answer. Go back to our calculator. We have our total number of rows, which is 38, times a sub 1, which is 25, plus a sub 38, which is 173, and this is all going to be over 2. And we get 3,762. So 3,762. And that's going to be answer choice A. Anyway, there's another way. You can actually do the summation of this. You got a formula. Now we can figure it out and do it with the sigma also, but we'll just leave it at that. Shouldn't be a hard problem at all. I'd like to consider looking at problems 27A and 27B for supplementary practice. Good luck, and thanks for viewing.